So what's up everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how we can make this amazing kind of website with the help of Claude AI and ChatGPT images. So these kinds of websites are pretty easy to create, and if you will learn the process, it would be a matter of minutes that you can create these websites in. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So for the sake of this website's inspiration, we are going to Pinterest and we are going to search here portal and click on the search button, and here we are going to find inspiration for our hero section. So let's scroll through it and find a graphic that we like. I found this one to be, so I'll just copy it up, go over to ChatGPT and paste it up, and I'll just write up the prompt. I want to build a similar type of image in 16:9 ratio, make it expand and look real with ultra high details and 8K quality. After that, it gave me this image and it looks pretty good. So we have a starting point for our website with the help of this image. Then we are going to go to Claude Code, open up a new folder and run up Claude Code into it. We are not going to get into details of how we can do it. To achieve a result like this, we are going to give it references for the nav bar as well as for our text at the left and these cards at the right. Also, we have this wiggle animation, like we are moving our mouse through it. This website comprises of three images. The first one is a background image, the second one is this portal door image, and the third one is a cloud image. So as we move and scroll forward, you can see we just go and zoom into the portal gate and these clouds disappear at the bottom, and we get this final page up here. So in Claude Code, we'll be typing build a Next.js application account button. We're going to be using Sonnet model for this, and we'll just run this prompt and see what it comes out with. By the time this is happening, let's make our images. So we'll head over to ChatGPT again and let's just make more images. Now we have pasted the image and written this prompt. Now give me only the door image and remove the rest of it as a transparent background. So it gave me this image and I'm not happy with it. So let's run the prompt again. Make the door wider and remove the center part of it as well. So it gave us this image and we'll just download it up and just remove its background using any free tool out there. PG remover. We can go over to this website and remove the background from it and download the image. After that, let's make the clouds. We'll paste the image again, ask it give me only the background of the image, remove the water and the door as well as. So it gave us this image and we'll ask it to complete the image, fill and expand the empty pixels. So it gave us this image, we are happy with it, so we'll download this as well. Now we'll ask it keep only the bottom clouds and remove everything else. So it gave us this image. So we'll download all these three images and save it up in our project folder. Let me quickly do it. Let's quickly remove the. We've gotten the three images and remove the background. So now I'm gonna copy it up in our projects folder and we can see it in here. As you can see, we can see these three images. We can look at them one by one. This is the background, so let's just rename it to background. These are the clouds and this is the door. Our website is also complete, so let's have a look at it. It's running at this port, so let's copy it up and see how it looks like. It gave us this result and it looks pretty made up with AI. So let's refine it up. We'll ask it copy path. This is the background image for the website. This is the door image that should appear on the top of the background. This is the clouds image that should be on top of the door image, and we want the overall look of the website to look something like the one I attached in the reference image, and we will copy the image from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now we'll run the prompt again and wait for the outcome. It has successfully built it up. Let's see what it has built. Yeah, we need to have some minor adjustments so it looks proper. We need to give it some references. So let's just take a sample of this page. We need the page to look something like this and the images to fade reference image. You can find all these resources like how to build the complete website with the help of a single prompt, as well as all the images that I have used, all the resources that I have been using in this project in the link down in the description box below. So you can check it out there as well. Also, in our original design, we can see these three cards with images. We can go over to ChatGPT and ask for it to create three different types of images for our cards, and it will make it up for ourselves. And then we can do the same thing, just download it and ask Claude to replace the images in the background of these cards with the three images that we are providing. So it will do that as well. Till then, let's wait for our project to be completed by Claude. Currently the door is going the other way. We need to change that. We want our pixels upwards. Let's see what it has done. We need to give it some more to make it look like our reference. We want the clouds in as well, so make necessary changes. Done making the changes now, so let's see what it has done. It has added a few images to our cards. We'll change it up later, no problem. We need to just make the clouds a little bit bigger as well as position them down a bit. Also, this thing at the end doesn't look good. So let's take screenshots for them all. Paste it up here. We want the clouds properly visible. Till then, let's make the images for our cards. Let's go over to ChatGPT, take our reference image, paste it up here. We need three different, let's make it. Cloud is also completed, doing its thing. Let's see what it has done. Yeah, now it looks good. We'll scroll. Yep, this looks amazing now. Let's just now replace these three images in our cards and then our design is complete. We've gotten these three images. We'll take a screenshot to be used in our cards. We'll head over to Cloud again and drop in the paths for these three images. Let me do it quickly. Replace these images in the images section for the background of the cards. So let's see. Yep. Okay, the card images have been replaced. If you don't want this overlay, we can ask Claude to remove it as well. And our site is fully functioning now. And it has good typography and good fonts and everything looks perfect. So this is a quick tutorial on how we can create these stunning animated websites with the help of Claude. You have to go through with Claude a bit here and there to get the final result as we wanted. But at the end, you can see how beautiful the website looks. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next one. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more future amazing videos. Thank you so much.